CIS scholars, how are you all and how was your Diwali? Did you all enjoyed your Diwali festival? I also enjoyed Diwali festival and I love this festival. So children, last time we have completed chapter number 9, patterns. Now next chapter is chapter number 10, measurements. Okay children, this chapter number 10, measurement, is very important. Okay, so you all see this video properly, watch this video properly. Okay, and you try to solve these sums. Okay, every day you try to practice the sums of measurement chapter. Okay children, and if every day you are practicing these sums of chapter number 10, measurement, then I am sure that this chapter you will enjoy the most. Okay, so children, let's begin with chapter number 10, measurements. Okay, so children, let's start with chapter 10, measurement. So now here the first topic is conversion. So children, before starting with the sums of measurement, it is very important to understand the conversions. What are the conversions in the measurement chapter? So conversion within the metric system can be done using steps of a staircase as shown below. Now children, we know that how the staircase are. Okay, now in staircase either we go from up to down or we go from down to up. So here also there is one system, okay, in the form of staircase. Now how this staircase is formed we will see. Now can you see here, the uppermost part is kilo, then it is hecto, then comes deca, then comes, now here it is blank. Now here you can either take gram, if you are measuring some mass then you can take gram, then you can take liter if you are measuring some capacity, then you can take liter, and for length you can take meter. Okay, any one from these three you can take it here. Then comes deci, then centi, and then milli. So this is the arrangement in the form of staircase, and on the basis of this staircase we are going to solve the sums. So children, you remember one thing, that whenever we are moving down from the higher unit to lower unit, the value increases. Okay, from here, from upper side, okay, from higher unit to lower unit, when you are moving in this staircase, the value increases, and at each steps the value increases by 10 times. Okay, at each step, at every step the value increases by 10 times. Okay, so as we move down the steps from higher to lower unit, the value increases tenfold. Now children, this staircase will be more clear in the next slide. So see what is the next part. See here children, the sentence below will help you remember the order of units. Now children, just now I show you the stairs. Okay, if you are not able to remember that, so you can remember this sentence. Now what this sentence resembles. See here, King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. So see here, king, K for king, K for kilo. Okay, this king resembles the kilo word, because in staircase also the first, the upper unit, the higher unit was kilo. Okay, so K for king, K for kilo. Then Henry, King Henry. Now H for Henry, H for hectare. The second unit was hectare, so H for hectare. Then doesn't, D for dozen, D for deca. The third unit in that steps, in that staircase was deca. So D for dozen, D for deca. Then U for usually and U for unit. Now what this unit means, children? Unit, that means you can take either meter, you can take either gram, or you can take liter. Okay, so just now I told you in the previous slide, from that three units, whatever you are measured to, you are going to measure, that you are going to take it here as a unit. So usually, U for usually, U for unit. Okay, then drink. So D for drink, D for deci. Then C for chocolate, C for centi. Okay, then M for milk, M for milli. So like this you can remember this arrangement of staircase from kilo to milli. Okay, from the higher unit to the lower unit. So what is the sentence, children? King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Only this much you have to learn. Okay, you have to understand this sentence. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. So automatically you will be able to understand this units from kilo to milli. You will be able to remember the staircase unit, that is from kilo to milli. Understood, children? Okay. Now these prefixes are variously sized units which are commonly for length, mass and capacity. So children, this unit, okay, this unit, it is generally used for length, mass and capacity. Okay, length means for meter, then mass from any weight, that means gram, and the capacity means the liter. Okay, the unit above refer to the basic standard units of measurement. So children, this units length, mass and capacity, how they are used, children? See here. For length, which unit we are using for length, children? It is meter. Okay, so instead of that unit you can write meter if you are going to measure length. Then for mass it is gram. So children, if you are going to measure mass, then in that unit you have to write gram. And then for capacity it is liter. So if you are going to measure capacity, then you have to write liter at the unit place. Understood, children? So this was just the introduction part of chapter 10, measurement. So on the basis of this meter, gram and liter, we are going to measure. Understood, children? So we are going to do the sums on this conversion, on the basis of this conversions. So these conversions are very very important. So children, you watch this video properly and understand, okay, that sentence and what that sentence means. I told you the trick, okay, how you have to remember the staircase. So children, you learn that staircase. We will meet again in next session. Till then, goodbye.